Looking for a high-quality wireless mic that's simple to use for your videos or Zoom calls? Let's check out the SabineTek SmartMic today. Hi, this is David of Tech for Bubba, a channel I share my experiences on how technology enhances my time with kids and family as a dad. If this is your first time here, welcome. Please consider subscribing to the channel. In today's video, let's unbox this small wireless smart mic from SabineTek. Special thanks to SabineTek for sending this out for me to try out. I'm looking forward to see how simple it is to use and how well its noise reduction works. I hope it can replace my trusted Boy I Love mic. It comes in this good solid thick box. There are QR codes on the side for the SmartMic app for both iOS and Android devices. Inside the box, there is the mic on one side. So far so good. Like how it's sleek and small. Under the cover on the other side, there's a headphone for monitoring, an USB-A to micro USB cable for charging, a dead cat, and a smaller foam cap for windscreening. There's a small simple manual for the mic in English and Chinese, and a bigger quick start guide for the SmartMic app with a lot more pictures and in several languages. I like how this wireless mic looks. It comes in white or black. I have the black one here. It's very small and light. About 1.5 centimeters by 1 centimeters and just 6 centimeters or 2.4 inches long. Weighs less than 14 grams, about 0.05 ounces. The tip of the mic is in this gray metal and the rest of it is in black plastic. There's a long metal clip on the side so it could be clipped on a shirt or anywhere easily. Here's how it compares to the wireless mic for my DJI Pocket 2. Even though the SabineTek mic is longer, it's much slimmer, much less bulky to use. On the top, there's a mic out jack. With the supply earbud or any headphones, I can monitor what the mic is picking up. On the side, there's the mic input and a red button for controls. There's a small indicator light for status on the lower front, and on the bottom, there's the micro USB port for charging. Too bad it's not the more modern USB-C port. When the battery is charging, the indicator light will be red. The light will turn green when it's fully charged. Charging has been taking about an hour for me, and a fully charged battery can last up to 6 hours, which is great. The mic pairs easily with my iPhone and MacBooks, just like any Bluetooth device. To pair for the first time, bring the mic close to the phone, press and hold the red button for 3 seconds to enter the pairing mode. The indicator will flash blue. Then on the iPhone, go to Settings, Bluetooth. The SmartMic Plus will show up under Other Devices. Select it, and that's it. Now to take full advantage and control of the mic, there's a free SmartMic recording app on iOS or Android devices. Let me start recording using the app and the mic so you can hear what the mic sounds like through the app. Inside the app, under the setting icon here on the bottom, there's a Pro menu where I can set the gain of the mic and the volume of the monitoring headphones. There's a slider to choose how aggressive the noise reduction is, from off to economy to medium and to high. Let's give this a try with some simulated traffic noise from YouTube. Starting with the reduction off, I'm sure a lot of traffic noise in the background is coming through. Let's try the least aggressive noise reduction next, the economy. Is that traffic noise being filtered out a bit when I speak? Okay, let's slide it over to medium. How about now? How much traffic noise is still coming through? Okay, let's turn the noise reduction all the way up to high. How is that traffic noise in the background now? How did it sound to you? Let me know in the comments below. When I tried this feature out at various locations earlier, I could hear less and less background noise as I turn up the noise reduction. The difference between noise reduction off and high is quite obvious to me. The app can also be configured to mix sound from the mic with an external mic or the phone mic and music. There are also options to add video filters and adjust video settings like resolution, frame rate, and bitrate. Under this device management here, firmware can be checked and updated. The indicator light, the red control button, and the audio recording format can be customized. There's even a trial hearing enhancement mode to enable and try. Oh, and the app also has this cool feature to superimpose a teleprompter on the screen. I've also been able to use this mic just as a Bluetooth mic with other iPhone or Mac apps with good results. Here I have it paired to my iPhone and I'm just recording using the voice memo app. How does it sound? I find I do have to turn the gain all the way down to 0 in the SmartMic app for it not to clip. The Bluetooth range is quite good. The mic stays connected as I walked around the house, even 20-30 feet away from the phone. I've also been using the mic on Zoom calls without any problem. For about $140, this little SabineTek wireless mic is indeed high quality and easy to use. I'll put a link below in the description if you'd like to check it out. It's perfect for vlogging, interviews, and conference calls. No more wires tangling all over the place with my wire-loved mic. It'd be even better if the noise reduction feature could be available for all the other apps. Actually, if I have another mic, the two SabineTek mics can be paired together in the master-slave mode to work with various cameras and sound equipment like a sound card or PA system. In that mode, noise reduction will be supported. Perhaps I can get another one to show off that feature in one of my upcoming videos. Thanks for watching. If you find this video helpful, please support me by hitting that like button and sharing this video with your friends. Are you also looking for a good wireless mic? I'd love to hear what you end up getting in the comment section below. If you want to see more videos on how technology can enhance our life with kids and family, please subscribe and turn on the bell to be notified when I put out my next video. I'll see you in the next one. Until then, remember to cherish each moment.